Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I created this mermaid makeup look. It's super easy to recreate. I thought it was so pretty and I just loved the final look. To get started, I first applied a baby blue eyeshadow, then I applied silver right over top. This gave such a pretty shift metallic effect. Then to add a little bit more razzle dazzle, I added a silver glitter. Then I placed mascara as well as a false lash on top and bottom. I felt like the more spiky effect lash worked really well with this look, giving it kind of like more of that wet, whimsical look. Then to create the detail around the eyes, I found this mixed glitter at the craft store, and the ones that look like little seashells I thought would work really well to obviously pull in the shell theme, but to give sort of like a scale effect. So I dumped a bunch of this out and sorted through it to pick out the parts that I wanted to use. Everything I used will be listed down below in the description box, so you can shop these items, and I will also include any discount codes. You're going to work in small sections applying lash glue or liquid latex. You only need a tiny amount, and then apply the glitter right over top. You can do as much as you want in any pattern. I suggest working in small sections so the glue doesn't dry on you. The glue dries pretty quickly. So I just went through and repeat the process over and over, and then I ended up adding pearls. I'll get closer and slow it down here to give you guys a better look. Once I was happy with the under eye area, I also wanted to add a little bit more above my brow, so I did the same thing, apply the glue and then the glitter, sequin, whatever, right over top. The rest of this look was pretty simple. I honestly did my makeup as I typically would, so nothing really of note there. But for the lip, I added a sheer but greenish bluish tinted shift lipstick that I thought went really well with the look. Then I put my hair down. I just did loose tousled curls, and then taking hair gel and a brush, I slicked back the top of my head and then created these little finger waves around my face and took some of those extra pearls and just kind of randomly placed these throughout my hair. And then for costume, I added these little rhinestone sleeves and this pearl top. Oh, and pearl earrings. So that's everything for this look. Honestly, it's super easy to do. It's just tedious because it's the same process over and over again. But again, add as much or as little as you want to create whatever vision you have in mind. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel here and following me over on Instagram as well as TikTok. Check out all my other Halloween style videos. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you next time.